So standard English you should use. And the reference already told you, recent and relevant reference you have to use. Therefore, once they get the paper, they will see whether you are blacklisted, whether what is the plagiarism rate, whether the scope is okay, length wise okay, format wise okay, or English, or the reference you have used. So all they will see. If it is okay, then only they will send to the referee's part. So otherwise, your paper will be rejected at the initial stage itself. Therefore, these are the 5 or 6 points. That is the blacklisted, plagiarism, scope, length, format, English, and reference. So these are the very important point which you have to add in. I mean, note down, my dear friends. Okay, then how do you revise? How your paper are revised? Yes, yeah. Suppose you submit the paper and you are asked to do some revision. That is the good news. Please move to your mobile. Mic also. Suppose you get the request from the publisher for revision of the papers. That is a good news, my dear friends. And you are now in the publication cycle. So your paper is almost likely to accept. That you have to understand. And you should not get a panic. Okay, that is very important. Even if the comments are very sharp and discouraging, and you should not take it as a personal. So your papers are going to be rejected. Not the publisher are going to reject you. And you can prepare another quality paper and submit. So that way you have to take. Okay, you should not take it as a personal. Even if you ask me, so I have around 16 to 17 years experience as a publisher and around 26 years of teaching experience. Even my paper today is rejected. My paper by other journal is being criticized. My paper is being revised by other journal. It is there. So we should not incorporate all changes and suggestions very fastly. That you have to do, my dear friends. And you should not defend yourself. You submit the paper hoping that the journal may be or the publisher may be superior to you. That you have to accept. Or the publisher may inform you the views of the experts. Therefore, you should feel that your publisher may be superior to you or your reviewers may be superior to you. What I mean to say that their ideas are better than your ideas. You have to accept indirectly. Then what you have to do? You have to carry out. That is a best method. You should not defend yourself. Maybe the suggestions may be reference, or they may be right, or sometimes they may be wrong also. But you want to publish, remember that your paper alone is being criticized, not you. Okay, that is more and more important, my dear friends. Then how to revise the paper? So what you have to do, first you have to acknowledge the editor and thank him. If you have any doubts, you clarify the doubts. And more importantly, you can consult with your colleagues or co-authors and other friends. And you should necessarily meet the revision deadline. They would have given 1 week time or 1 month time. You should necessarily, follow that, adhere that. And you have to attach the covering letter explaining the corrections carried out, I mean to say point by point, or it may be the revisions, you have to give that. Okay, your paper is rejected. What do you have to do? Don't get angry. You ask why your paper is rejected, and if they reply, certainly they will mention some reason. You carefully read and try to update yourself so that next time you will prepare better paper, or I can say even better journal will accept your paper. So that way you have to take it. You have to try again and again. Maybe to try to submit your paper, next paper to the same journal or some other journal. Okay. And you should not give up the idea of preparing the paper because one journal is not accepting, two journals are not accepting, or five journals are not accepting. You should not give up the idea of preparing the paper. What you have to do, you should keep on preparing the papers and submitting journal by journal. At one point of time, you will realize that you develop your skill in preparing quality or best paper. Okay, this is very, very important. So everybody has been rejected at least once. So this is what my experience also. Okay, so you have to keep trying. What is a successful outcome, my dear friends? Here, when you get a successful outcome, you have to thank the editor for accepting the paper in a particular journal. And more importantly, you have to develop the skills of writing quality article and keep publishing them in a reputed journal. So suppose you are publishing a particular article in a 2-point impact factor. Next time you try for 3-point impact factor. Next time you try for 4-point, 5-point, like that. You have to improve the quality. I mean, you are looking at the quality of the journal also. Then only you can grow. So what is the outcome of the research? If you ask me a simple question, the outcome of research is that publication of article in good quality journal. So what is the parameter which you have to say that any journal is a good quality? As such, it is the impact factor. The available parameter is the impact factor. There are criticism in calculating the impact factor, this and that. I'm not denying that, but we have to go by that. And you have to publish more and more articles. So how much time they will take normally, if you ask me? Even you maybe 1 or 2 years they will take. If you calculate the period of time that you conduct research and the time of publication, if you take, minimum you have to wait for 1 or 2 years if you want to publish quality journal. So this is what my message, my dear friends. I hope you would have enjoyed this presentation. Again, as a concluding remark, I can say that no one is an expert in the field of publishing the article. So we have to go by read more and more articles in more and more reputed journal. Your reading alone will give you a lot of inputs, ideas in preparing the journal. I mean, preparing the article to publish in a reputed journal. I say your good guide is a review. So you review as many articles as possible. Thereby, you can learn it better. I believe my presentation would have given some inputs. Okay. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.